Good morning, guys. Mr. Miller here. Hope you're having a good day so far. I'm going to just let you know what you're supposed to do for today, for Monday, February 1st. It's not too complicated. It shouldn't take you too long, I don't think. But here you go. Okay, so you're in this folder. Hopefully you found it. You've come this far. If you're here, that means that you have. Everything I'm telling you is also in this on this page, and I have pictures to guide you to the various parts of it. You're going to want to go to this folder down here. It says Elements of Fiction. Everything for today is in this same folder, by the way. So Elements of Fiction, you want to click on the Elements of Fiction slideshow there, and you can click it again to open it in a new window. Then you want to also, in this same folder, there's Elements of Fiction Notes. So you want to click that and open up your document as you do. And it should look something like this. There are two versions of this. I'm not going to make two separate videos. You might have a little more of this filled in. You might have a little less. So just fill in based on what you have there. You know how to split screen it. I would try to do a split screen. I have a nice little app on mine that I got that split screens it for me. So I'm just going to do it that way. But you can make two windows side by side here. And this is what I would do. I would just start going through here. Look at the slides on the right or on the left, however you want to do it. Read it over. Each little slide has also, some of the slides have little videos for you to watch like this. You can watch that. It gives you some background and work your way through and just use that to take the information. Like for example, protagonist, main character. So here over in my notes, I would just write down main character. I mean, the formatting might get kind of funny, but do the best you can with it. You can make this text bigger or smaller as you see fit to fill in the notes correctly. Okay, you're going to keep going from there. Antagonist, and looks like character or force in direct opposition to the main character. So I would write that over here. A character or force in direct opposition to the main character. So I just gave you two answers right there. So you're welcome. Okay. So that's all you do. Finish it out. All the notes. This one, it's a plot diagram. Obviously you can't type on there. You'll just be typing down below here where the answers can go. And just fill the rest of that out today, based on your slideshow. Okay. Watch the videos as they come in. There's not too many, but some of them will help you out and give you a little bit more background guidance on these topics and what they are. Okay. So do your best. Please don't hesitate to message me. I'll be checking messages throughout the day. Let me know if you're having any trouble. And that's all I'm asking for you to do today. Okay? So see you tomorrow, hopefully, whenever we get back. And have a good one. Bye-bye.